So, okay, team. So, sorry for the inconvenience caused. Okay, so let me just work on to the next uh, question. This is one of the interesting questions that recently which we got it. Okay, so here I'm copying and pasting the problem solutions. Okay, so yes, just have a look at the problem solutions. Problem statement. Joseph is learning a digital logic. Yeah. So Joseph is learning a digital logic subject, which will be for us next semester. He usually tries to solve unit assignment problems before the lecture. Today he got one tricky question. The problem statement is a positive integer has been given as an input. Got it? Convert the decimal value to binary representation. Toggle all bits of it after the most significant bit, including the most significant bit. Print the positive integer value after toggling all the bits. Got it? First of all, you should know that what do you mean by toggling? Okay, see, let us just have a deep dive on what is toggling. The problem statement is a positive integer has been given as input. Okay, let us take if the positive input integer as 10, and what will be the binary representation of 10? It will be 1 0 1 0. Got it? Okay, so after toggling the bits, got it? Toggling in the sense, it's like we have to perform the right shift operator of 1. So it's like after toggling the bits, we will get it has to be all ones to be converted as zeros and zeros to be converted as ones. So we'll not use not operator because it's like we have to traverse from each and every bit. So we need an output which is 0 1 0 1, and the positive conversion of 0 1 and 0 1 will be actually 5. So if user enters 10, we should get an output called 5. Got it? So for that, we can simply use rephrase method. But it's like if you are using this method is also like actually if we are using replace all. Okay, directly if ones are converted to zeros, got it? Ones directly, if you are converting ones directly to zeros in the sense, then immediately next time when the loop is running, actually zeros would also be converted to ones. So it's like 1 0 1 0 only again and again it would reflect. So what we will do is, first of all, let us convert ones to 1 as 2. Okay, and then let us second time let us convert all the zeros as ones first of all. Got it? So now it will be the output will be 2 1 2 1. Okay, this 1 0 1 0 is on first step, it is converted as 2 1 2 1. Got it? And then let us convert our twos to zeros. Got it? So now it would reflect as, okay, now it would reflect as 0 1 0 1. Got it? Directly, if you are converting ones to zeros and zeros to ones, means it would when the loop is happening, it would automatically take all the zeros, and again and again we will get the same number 1 0 1 0 only we will be getting it. Okay, so now let us just move to the solutions. Got it? So let us have uh, scanner class. Okay, so first of all, let's get the input from user. Got it? So I'm just typing input from user. Okay, so let me just take it a variable you int. Uh, okay, so let's call it as num, the variable which we are getting, and using the object which I created earlier. So I'm taking next int of. Got it? So here let us imagine if user is giving 10. Got it? So now let us take a string, an empty string. Okay, we will just convert the empty string and then we will just make use of it. Okay, so it's like let's just take a binary string, okay, and let us just have just without space or something, just I'm taking a string, okay. So it's like I'm taking a string bin equals, got it. I've taken an empty string which is the binary conversion, okay. Now let us just take a loop while num is not equals to 0, got it. If user enters 0 means no issues, it's like zeros, binary conversion is 0, so it's like we cannot get it right. Even it starts from 1, so it's like once when we are starting our while loop from while num is not equals to 0, got it. So let us take in the place of bin. First of all, let us take a number and 1. Got it? Okay, you know why I am taking in it. Plus, let me go on with the bin. Got it? So, and then let us just right shift number equals is number equals number right shift of 1. What this is what process, because you know all the numbers has to be toggled from 1 to every numbers, right? So first of all the toggling should happen from 1, and then the toggling should happen to 0, and then toggling should happen to 1, and then toggling should happen to 0. Got it? So now let us use the replace method. So bin equals, okay, bin dot replace all. Okay, so first of all let us replace all the ones to twos. Got it? This is what should happen. And then let us just replace bin equals bin dot replace all. Okay, so let us just replace all the zeros to ones. Okay, see here what we did is, first of all we have replaced all the ones to twos, and we have replaced all the zeros to ones. Got it? And that is why we will get a 2 1 and 2 1. So now what it should happen is, we should replace all the 2's to 0. Got it? So let us just take bin equals bin dot replace all. Okay, so let's take replace all, and let us replace all the 2's to zeros. Got it? So now let us just parse int using parse int method. Let us just convert the string to a integer. Okay, so it's like, so let's take a variable called result. Okay, so I'm calling integer dot parsent. Okay, so I'm just passing my int. It's like, you know what is the use of integer at parsent? It is like it converts the strings as integer. Got it? So here I am passing this particular, there are two different variables, that two parameters has to be passed. Got it? So it's like I'm passing my ints of binary to a decimal number. Got it? So the base value of decimal is going to be 2, and then let me just give println. Okay, so here if I print my results, got it, you will come to see that what would happen. So first of all, let us just take a deep dive. It's like if user is entering 10, and if it is going on in, got it, and this is what would happen. Actually it would 10 is not equals to 0, so it would go on to binary num1 and bin, and then num of right shift would happen, so it would convert all the one zeros. Okay, so here it would what would happen is, it would convert all the ones to 2, so it would place 1. Got it? And then yeah, it would be like 2 0 to 0. Got it? Why? What will it happen if you change all the ones to zeros directly, and zeros to ones means, first of all in this line it would happen to 0. Okay, 0 0 0, because it would convert ones to 0, right? 1 will be converted as 0, 0 will be kept as it is as zeros, and then ones will be converted as zeros, and then zeros will be converted as 0, 0 will be kept as it is as 0. But in this line, if you are converting 0 to 1 in the sense, it would convert all the zeros to 1, 1 1 1 1. Got it? Which is actually a wronger fact. Got it? So that's why here we are converting. What would it happen in the sense? Here we are converting actually ones to twos. So 2 0 uh, 2 0 would be there. Got it? And then this line would help us in converting 2 1 to 1. Got it? And this line would help us in converting as 0, 1, 0, 1. Got it? So don't just think that it's all ones to zeros and zeros to ones. In the sense, it would result in a wronger way. Got it? And if you're running it, let's check if there is any errors or something. Got it? Let's just run the program, and I'm giving 10. Okay, you can see the output, which is 5. Got it? So it would happen in all of the scenarios. This is what is happening. Got it? So let me just